everyone, I'm Shamli and I love to create fun DIY crafts in my free time. In this series, I'm going to explore felt cloth to create different DIY craft. You can have cute, colorful blossoms for your living room that won't wilt at all. Want to know how? Hello all and welcome to What is Your Hobby? In this video, we will see how to make fun flowers using felt cloth. So, let the fun begin. Let's look at the material needed to make the popsicle flowers. We will need popsicles or candy sticks, glue, colorful felt cloth. We can later add buttons or pom-pom to decorate the flower. You can also use a zigzag scissor, but if you don't have one, then just use a normal scissor. Let's begin. Let's trace 2 circles and cut them out. To make it interesting, I'm using a zigzag cutting scissor. This is how the felt looks when you cut with a zigzag scissor. Match the circles. We will glue the popsicle in the center of the cutout. Use a hot glue gun to stick the popsicle and the felt. You can also use a regular white glue, but it will take some time to stick well. Both the popsicles are stuck. Now apply some glue on the other side and stick a different color cutout over it. Let's stick a pom-pom at the center. We will now take a green color felt and draw a leaf. Fold this felt and cut the leaf out. We will get 2 leaves of similar shape and size. Glue the leaves on the popsicles. I will glue a shiny decoration piece on the second flower. Your cute popsicle felt flowers are now ready. Draw some details over the leaf with a marker. Don't forget to watch the next video. Till then, stay tuned to What is Your Hobby?